Alright guys, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia Cards. We're doing some Optic Fast Break for Bergie. Bergie and Tate have the most spots in this break. Alright, good luck guys. Roll the dice. It is Snake. Oh, we haven't rolled it in a while. Snake Eyes. That is a good roll in here. We do whatever we do. Whatever we roll. Alright. Jumble up some names just twice. This is how we fill the break. Bergie has the first two. Tate. Bergie. Craven. Tate. Bergie. Craven. Stanimal. Craven. Bergie. Indy. Paul. Tate. T-Jeff. Bergie. Henrock. Tate. Jakey. Craven loves liberals, which is Dougie. And Trippy Mike. Good luck. 2 times. 1, 2. Bergie. You guys are in a Bergie sandwich. How do you guys feel about that? It's a Bergie sandwich. I just realized I didn't get a spot in this. Wizards on the bottom, 76ers on top. Good luck. 1. Dose. Blazers to Pistons. Okay, Bergie, Pistons, Trippy Mike, Pelicans, Bergie, Nets, Sixers, Knicks, and Pacers. Stanwell, you got the Thunder. Craven, you got the Bulls. Tate, you have the Cavs. Tate, you have the Hornets. T-Jeff, Warriors. Paul, the Clippers. Bergie, the Kings. Bergie, the Rockets. Jake, the Jazz. Tate, the Spurs. Bergie, the Mavs. Craven, the Bucks. Bergie, Wolves and Hawks. Henrock, the Magic. Tate, the Celtics and Nuggets. Craven, the Grizzlies. Craven, the Raptors. Tate, the Lakers. Bergie, the Heat. Suns. Go to Tate. Bergie, the Wizards. And Bergie, the Blazers. You're going to switch back to Dougie then. Craven, you have the Bucks, Grizzlies, Raptors. Blame Dougie. That's all Dougie's. Craven loves liberals had the Bulls. Alright, you want to make any trades or sales? Are we good? Oh, I gotta pick boxes. Alright, let me open the case. Haven't seen these in a while. Let's pick some boxes. Alright guys, 5 boxes. Good luck. 1, 7, 2, 8, 12, 6, and 16. You guys ready to break? You guys ready? Yep, Mitchell has autos in this. All the rookies have autos in this. Alright, good luck, guys. Alright, box 16. He's not the best. I think Anthony Davis has autos in here, though. Probably not a ton, but I think he does. There was never really a big checklist put out for this because it's technically a retail product that was only released in hobby shops for some reason. I don't know. I don't trust the checklist I've seen for this stuff. I think it's kind of put together with what people have seen. But you can still get low-numbered Anthony Davis cards in here, and everything ships. So it's kind of why all teams are in on 14 bucks. You can't get too mad at going hitless. I mean, you can, but I would just say, hey, you're part of it. Alright, good luck, guys. Now we got Wes Owandu, Zach LaVine, Disco, DSJ, Jason Tatum, the rookies, Josh Hart, Malik Monk, and Milos, not numbered for the Clippers, Disco. Donovan Mitchell, Clyde Drexler Silver, Frank Mason. Yeah, I'll have more of these tomorrow, guys. We're going to do a lot of basketball tomorrow. Frank Jackson, rookie. Sindarius Thornwell and Carmelo Gold to 10. Who has the Thunder? Stanimal. 10 of 10. Nice. Mellow gold. Tony Bradley. DeAndre Jordan. LeBron James for the Cavs. Giannis. Sterling Brown, Kobe. Luke Kennard and purple rated rookie. Gonna be Semi Ojeleye at a 155. Zach Collins, Frank Jackson, rookie disco. Devon Reed, and for the Cavs, gold auto of Channing Frye. There's your $14 boom right there. Who's the Cavs? Tate. 9 of 10. Channing Frye gold. Boom. Orange for the Kings, George Hill at a 199. Frank Ntilikina, Mario Chalmers, Shaq. That is a Lakers card. Derek White, De'Aaron Fox. Russell, did I not go through some of these? Oh, okay. It's getting late, I'm tired. Box 6. So yeah, stuff produces. Channing Frye Gold Auto is like $5. So Channing Frye Gold Auto to 10 for the Cavs. Someone type that out, please. Yeah, it's 1 auto per box, plus a bunch of numbered. I love when people ask questions and Craven gives them stupid answers. So helpful. Box 2. Frank Mason. Zach Collins. Karl Anthony Towns. Sterling Brown. Bam Adebayo. Damian Dotson. Brooke Lopez. Justin Patton. And Jimmy Jackson for the Mavs. Not numbered. Semi and Kevin Durant at a 155 for the Warriors. Oh, they did one? Wow, Doug. TJ Leaf. DSJ. Josh Hart. Malik Monk. I feel like we've seen this before. Gordon Hayward. Donovan Mitchell, number 2. Vince Carter, not numbered. Curry, refractor. Norman Powell. Devon Reed. Kristaps. For the Knicks, Frank Ntilikina. That ain't bad. There's the Knicks. Bergie. A little off sticker though, Bergie. And not the rated rookie, unfortunately. Red to 85. Dirk McGurk. Who's the Mavs? Bergie, again. Back to back. Ntilikina. Josh Hart, who's blowing up. Derek White. Blake Griffin. Luke Kennard. Draymond. And Wes Iwundu. Next box. Dylan Brooks for the Grizz. Ike and Zhao Qi, bestseller of this draft class for the Rockets. Zhao Qi sells so well for not even being on an NBA roster. Caleb Swanigan. Lonzo, first Lonzo. And Rudy Gobert for the Jazz at a 193. Selden, Levine, Leiden, Rob, Markel, George Hill on the Kings in this. Jamal Murray, refractor. Dorsey, Giles, Lillard, Milos, Allen, Frank Ntilikina at a 155. Bergie. Justin Jackson, DeAndre Jordan, Jason Tatum, Durant swishful, Magic, Gershon. Boom. Who's the Rockets? Bergie. Zhao Qi live. This dude sells. This dude sells. And Jamal Crawford, blue out of 50. OG Jimmy. And box 8. There's kind of a pattern in this. You can kind of feel where you were in the scheme of the pack out. Like, you know all the rookies you're gonna get from like the first 2 rookies because they all follow each other. Okay, if you're psychic, what are you going to sell your Luke Kennard for? Kawhi Leonard, Steph, Patton, orange, Stanley Johnson for the Pistons, 193. Semi, Schroeder, Donovan, number 3. Larry Nance, LeBron, Frank Mason, Zach Collins, Devon Reed for the Suns. For the Pacers, at an 85, TJ Leaf. Bergie is raking right now. Luke Kennard, Rajon Rondo, Wes Iwundu, DSJ, Markel. Didn't even get the best teams and he's killing it. Jordan Bell, Bam Adebayo. Damian Dotson and Michael Adams for the Nuggets. Who's got the creamy nougats? Tate. Michael Adams. Yeah. Josh Hart. Gershon. Malik Monk. Another Ntilikina building the rainbow. People pay a couple bucks for the base. Milos, Jarrett, Allen, Avery Bradley, Sterling. Three Donovan Mitchells will cover your $5, $10 buy-in. That's all it took, Craven? Wow. You'll be back tomorrow when I'm doing some other cheap stuff. Gonna make a special Sunday appearance. You guys better be here. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Last box, guys. Nice. Kuzma disco. Who's got the Lakers? Tate. That's what we're chasing. Tilakina. Shaq. Derek White. OG Anunoby for the Raptors. Orange. Craven. Boom. There you go, Craven. Darren Fox. Batum, Swanigan. Lonzo. Selden. DJ Wilson for the Bucks. That's Craven as well. Should have been a Spur. Amir Johnson, Harry Giles, Isaiah Thomas on the Celtics, Theodosic, Hassan Whiteside. Jake, these cards, the rookie base, like the Kuzma, you want the Donovan Mitchell of that. That's like a $40, $50 card. The Jason Tatum goes for $30 regularly. So Jarrett Allen, Thaddeus Young, Justin Jackson, Malik Monk, Devon Reed. If you can find the guy with the Kings. Who's the Kings? Who has the Kings? Bergie. Bergie, you want to give him one De'Aaron Fox for one of his Mitchells? Ivon Robb. That's a good sign. J.R. Smith at a 155. Markelle Fultz. Thomas. Gershon. OG. Dorsey. Good luck, guys. We've pulled some sick rated rookie signature fast break. Semi letdown. Semi. Celtics. Tate. Bergie, let me know if you want to do that. I believe there's a couple of both. I just need Bergie to confirm. Alright guys, no randoms to do. And that was a break.